Hello everyone, how are you? Many people get confused when to use it's or its. It's with an apostrophe or it's with no apostrophe. I think it's simple. Let's see. In the case of it's, the apostrophe denotes missing words. So, it means it is or it has. For example, it's raining or it is raining. Another example, does your dog want food?
No, it has already eaten or it's already eaten.
It's already eaten or it has already eaten. Very nice. Now, when there is no apostrophe here, we are talking about possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. That means we are talking about something belongs to something. Yes, for example, the dog likes its new bone.
Is this house for the cat?
Yes, this house is its. I mean, a cat, okay? Very nice. Okay, I have here 3 sentences. Let's complete them with it's or its. The first one. I like this lesson the best one. What do you think here? It's or its?
It's the best one. With apostrophe, it is the best one.
Very nice. So here the answer is it's. Yes, it is. It's the best one. The lesson, okay? Number 2. Got 4 toes. Here, maybe we are talking about a dog, okay? So what do you think? It's or its?
It's got 4 toes. With apostrophe, it has got 4 toes.
Very nice. So here, the answer is it's with an apostrophe. So, it has. Especially with the past participle, the verb 3, okay? So here we have present perfect, okay? It has got 4 toes. Number 3, buttons are big and shiny. Maybe here we are talking about a jacket or a coat or a shirt, maybe, okay? So what do you think?
It's with no apostrophe.
Very nice.
Its buttons are big and shiny.
Buttons are big and shiny. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will clarify the difference between it's with an apostrophe and it's with no apostrophe. Thank you. Bye-bye.